Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. In this video we're going to be making Hagrid's hut and Hagrid's footprints to add to my Marauder's map. And if you do not have a version of my Marauder's map yet, if you haven't made it, I will link that video in the description box below. In the description of that video, you will find a link to the free downloadable templates. All you gotta do is log in to my website, which is a free account, and then you can download the templates and create this map. I am also going to release a video on some new tips on how to put this map together. And in that video, I'm going to offer some updated templates for the map that might help make it a little bit easier for you. So if you're interested in that, I think I'm gonna post that after this video, but I will link that video in this video once it's posted, in the description box below once it's posted. Anyways, that's enough rambling from me. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more Harry Potter DIY videos just like this one. So in order to do this DIY, we're going to need a copy of my version of the Marauder's map. You can download that, like I said, from my old video. It's in the description box over there. And then you're also going to need this new piece, which is Hagrid's hut. So it should be printed double-sided. And mine is on 11 by 17 paper. I also have an 8.5 by 11 version, and in that one, it's gonna come in pieces, and you're gonna have to glue it together to look like this. But it's a lot easier if you have the larger format paper so that you don't have to do that part. We're just gonna take a ruler and X-Acto knife and cut this out. And when you cut this out, make sure that you're cutting it out with Hagrid's hut, the image of it actually facing you, because the other side is a bit larger on all the edges, so that it's a little bit of like what's called bleed area, so that when you cut it out, you don't have to worry about white space on the reverse side of this. And now this is pretty much ready to go in. First, we do need to fold it up. So if you're looking at it like this, with it right side up, we're gonna fold the middle in, and it really doesn't matter which order you do these flaps, but we're gonna fold, the middle one's gonna fold up, and then the other two are gonna fold down on top of it, and they all have the same image of those lines on it. So that's how I'll do mine, just like that, but again, you could fold those at any order you want. You could fold it in like this, and then fold this one in like that, and then fold this one in. It doesn't matter which way you do it. And now for where this goes in the map. So we're gonna open the map up to the middle section right here. On this side we have the Quidditch pitch, and this is actually a different version of the Quidditch pitch, which I am going to put a video out for. It's gonna be in my video that kind of goes over new tips and ways to put the map together, and it's going to include this new Quidditch pitch. It's in the same spot, but the Quidditch pitch folds open like this, and as you can see, it has that really cool origami fold, which is the same fold that you see in my video for the Quidditch campsite map. I just incorporated it into this because I thought it was really cool and it would look really nice on the Marauder's map to have a part that folds open like that. So yeah, you've got your Quidditch campsite on that side, and then if we open it up a bit more over here, we have Hagrid's hut. So open up your Hagrid's hut. This side lines up with the Forbidden Forest, because that's clearly where Hagrid would be. I made the footprints for Hagrid quite a bit bigger than the other footprints. If you kind of compare them to the other footprints, you'll notice that. Hagrid's footprints are a lot larger. So all you need to do is fold it up like that, apply glue to this side, and then glue it in right there. I'm just using a glue stick because I found that it's the only glue that I've really tried out on this, but it's one of the only glues that doesn't put wrinkles in the paper. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue using glue sticks for these. And then just glue it down. Once you're all done, it should open up like this. Hagrid's over there in the Forbidden Forest, and then it reveals his hut right here. And that is it. Now that we have added Hagrid's hut and Hagrid's footprints to this map. And I've created this new map actually for this video and the Marauders map new tips video that I'm going to come up with pretty soon here. That's what this map is from. So yeah, if you're interested in winning this map, I am giving this map away that I've created in this video and that tips video. Basically, this is a combination of both of those videos, but I am giving this one away. There's a giveaway link in the description box below. Down there, you're also going to find a giveaway link for my 70K giveaway. And that is once we hit 70K subscribers, I am going to be giving away the entire set of Accio Box book covers. And I designed these for Accio Box a couple of years ago, and they are just completely out of print now. So if you want to get a hold of them, this giveaway is probably your best, if not only way to get them. And I'm also going to be giving away the entire set of American hardbacks, the first edition American hardbacks, to put these covers on. So you get everything you need right there in this giveaway. So if that's something you're interested in, the giveaway link's in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.